Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's latest innovation, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This new flagship device is packed with groundbreaking features and improvements that are sure to impress. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a game-changer in the smartphone industry. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress with its design and display. This new model will feature a larger screen than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, providing an even more immersive viewing experience. Despite the increase in screen size, the S25 Ultra will be thinner and lighter, making it more comfortable to hold and use. Samsung has managed to achieve this sleek design without compromising on durability or performance, ensuring that the S25 Ultra is both stylish and robust. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This cutting-edge processor offers a significant power boost over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, delivering faster performance and improved efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI-driven features, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip ensures that everything runs smoothly and responsively. This upgrade is a testament to Samsung's commitment to providing top-tier performance in their flagship devices. To complement the powerful new processor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come equipped with 16 GB of RAM. This substantial amount of memory is crucial for ensuring that the AI features and other demanding applications run efficiently. With 16 GB of RAM, users can expect seamless multitasking and a smooth overall experience, even when running multiple apps simultaneously. This upgrade highlights Samsung's focus on delivering a device that can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature an improved camera system. Building on the success of the S24 Ultra, the new model will include a new sensor and lens designed to capture even more stunning photos and videos. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the enhanced camera system will provide better clarity, detail, and color accuracy. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of mobile photography with each new release. Battery life is always a critical factor for smartphone users, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra does not disappoint. This new model will boast a longer battery life than the S24 Ultra, thanks to a new battery and an advanced power management system. Users can expect to go longer between charges even with heavy use. This improvement ensures that the S25 Ultra can keep up with your busy lifestyle, providing reliable performance throughout the day. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in January, although the exact date has not yet been announced. As we get closer to the release, more details will likely emerge, so stay tuned for updates. Samsung fans can look forward to starting the new year with one of the most advanced smartphones on the market. Finally, Samsung has confirmed that it is bringing back the popular GIF Creator feature. This feature, which was removed in One UI 6.11, will be restored in a future update. The GIF Creator allows users to create personalized GIFs and share them with friends and family, adding a fun and creative element to the user experience. Its return is sure to be welcomed by many Samsung enthusiasts. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive addition to Samsung's lineup. With advancements in AI, a powerful new processor, increased memory, enhanced camera capabilities, longer battery life, and the return of beloved features, this device is poised to set a new standard in the smartphone industry. We can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. Be sure to share your thoughts and excitement in the comments below.